Welcome to another Chatt'in and Loc'in video from me. As you can see, this is in my bathroom where I usually film my regular videos, but this is more of a unplanned, unscheduled, unthemed, on everything, on makeup, because I'm sitting here chilling with no makeup on, just me, and just chatting with you guys, and hopefully you guys can chat back with me in the comment section. So what I'm going to do now is I've taken down these pipe cleaners. I've had these in for a few days now. Today is Sunday, June 19th, and I put these in on Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I had them in for approximately 4 days. So now it's time to take them out. Right now it's about 6:44 in the a.m. And the reason why I'm up so early is because, first of all, if you guys know me, I'm a morning person. I get up usually 5 o'clock every morning for, I don't even know why, but I'll get up in the morning and do things rather than at night. I'm a morning person. And secondly, it's Father's Day. I will be doing a lot of cooking today. So I'll be cooking dinner for my father as well as my husband and family. My mom, my grandma is coming by, and also my husband and, you know, the kids and everybody else. So I want to start early because I really don't have any desire to be in that kitchen too long. While I'm taking out my hair, I'm using this Loc'in Naturals Essential 17 hair growth oil, and I just put that in the palms of my hand, and I'm just rubbing it through my hair as I'm taking it down. The husband like when I do pipe cleaner curls. Grown folks business. So I wanted to ask you guys a question. I was on Instagram the other day and I saw this meme and I thought it was funny, yet at the same time thought-provoking. And we basically had a discussion in my house. We have the silliest discussion sometimes about the correct answer to this meme. So I'm going to tell you guys, and then I'm going to share my thoughts. And I hope in the comment section you can share your thoughts as well as to what you think about this meme. So what it basically said was, a man and a woman, a couple, married, they decided that they wanted to commit suicide. Why? I don't know why. It was just a quick meme, so there's no backstory behind it. And they both decided to commit suicide together. So their way that they were going to commit suicide was to jump off of a building. So whatever day they picked, they go on top of the highest building to commit suicide, and they were supposed to jump together, 1, 2, 3. At the count of 3, they counted 1, 2, 3. The lady jumps, but the guy doesn't jump. But the kicker is, the lady, even though she jumped, she had a parachute. The question is, who betrayed who? Did the husband betray the wife because he didn't jump at all? Or did the wife betray the husband because even though she jumped, she had a parachute? And I don't know, it's a hard question to answer, but I said that the husband betrayed the wife because he didn't even try. At least the wife, you know, she jumped. Even though she had a parachute, she could have killed herself. There's no guarantee the parachute is going to open. You know, there's no guarantee she wouldn't, like, you know, get smacked into a building or something. Sorry, my phone. There's no guarantee she was going to get smacked into a building. So I think she took the most risk. The guy didn't even try. He didn't even say, let me get a parachute and jump just in case. You know, he just left her hanging for her to jump by herself. And of course, the other argument is they both betrayed each other, or she betrayed him because, you know, at least she had a parachute, but at least she tried, okay? In life, it's all about trying and giving your very best. You have no say if you never try. So, let me know what you guys think, because I'm for the wife. I mean, they're both wrong in the beginning to even want to commit suicide together. They're both wrong who want to commit suicide. That's not the point. This is a funny meme. It's supposed to be funny, laughter. So forget that part about them being wrong for wanting to commit suicide. That is their business. If they want dead together, let them dead together. That's what they chose. Let them die together. That's what they want. But who betrayed who? Was the woman wrong for having her parachute, or was the man wrong for not even jumping at all? I think the man was a coward. He should have jump and look bad in front of your wife and everybody else, because he wasn't even jump. At least jump and say, you know, jump and do something. Jump and have your parachute, and then I don't know. But then the next question is, what happens afterwards? Like, do they go back home now and just live a nice, happy life together, and just forget this whole suicide plan, or do they come up with another plan where none of them can, you know, outsmart the other or betray the other? Like, how do you live with someone after that? How do you look them in the eye and say, I'm gonna love you even though I know you betrayed me in one of the most dangerous ways? Like, you said you were gonna kill yourself with me, you didn't kill yourself. Like, does that make their love stronger? Maybe in a weird kind of cynical kind of way, that they both cheated death and cheated each other together. Does that make their love stronger and make their bond grow even fonder? That's so silly, but could you imagine? Yeah, like, how do you go home? How do you apologize from that? Like, how do you say, I'm sorry, I didn't kill myself with you? Or do you just laugh it off over a glass of wine and just cook dinner and eat like nothing ever happened and just move on with your day? Like, am I thinking too much into this meme? I mean, it was just an Instagram meme, but sometimes these memes on Instagram got you thinking. They got you thinking about your whole life in general. Let me come to my husband and tell him that we should commit suicide together. I don't even want to know his response. This is what we're up to so far. So the front is still not out yet, but most of the back is. I am looking so cute.
Mommy?
Yes, love? Yes? What's wrong? You wake up? What happened? Want to see me? Okay, 1 minute. Today is what? Today is Father's Day?
Yes.
So make sure you tell Daddy Happy Father's Day.
And Grandpa.
And Grandpa, okay?
And me.
And you're a father? How many kids do you have?
2.
Go lay down in the bed with Daddy.
No, I can sign you like
No, Naz, I can't sit on my lap. You're making Mommy heavy. Mommy had her up and cook for you, okay? So go and you can either go in the room and play with your toys, or go with Daddy.
Mama.
Naz, stop. I'm almost done. Go. Bye. I'm gonna come make you a nice breakfast. Go with Daddy.
I'm a little too.
You can fit. Go. This style is cute, but the pipe cleaner is still in the front and the back is long. So this is the last one I'm taking out. And then I will be done. And then I'll give you a time frame of finish. So I think that's it. I got them all. Oh, my fingernails are snagging. Oh. But yeah. I think, nope. See? 1. Always 1. Always 1 that just doesn't want you to be great. But I found you. I think that's it. I think I got it. So that's it. Turn around for you guys. You can see. That's what I got. Thanks for hanging out with me as I take down my pipe cleaners. Thanks for chilling with me in another Chatt'in and Loc'in video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. I won't see you, but you will see me. We will interact in the comment section, you know what I mean? In another video. And that's it. Let me go because my sun is up now. Oh, before I go, time. It is now 7:34. Yeah, so it took me approximately an hour to take it down. So 4 hours to put it in and about an hour to take it down. But let me go because my son is up and he just wants to be with his mommy because he just loves his mommy. And he doesn't want me to be great. Even though his dad is right there, right next to him, but he wants mommy. So anyway, that's it. Let me go chill with him and have a good day, you guys. Enjoy your journey. And let me know if you guys are enjoying this video with a thumbs up, comments, whatever you guys like. Bye.